Good morning, students. In the last class, we were discussing about movement in animals, and we also spoke about locomotion. We discussed how different animals they are moving. Some are flying, some are swimming. So here is a quick video just to show those things. Just see this video, and then we will discuss.
Let us find out why they move.
What is the need for an animal to move? Can anybody answer?
Ma'am, is it in search of food and water?
Yes. They move from place to place in search of food, water, and for shelter. Each group of animal have different organs for movement. Let us see how they move. Insects. Insects like ant, cockroach, bedbug have three pair of legs to move. Some insects like butterfly and housefly have wings to fly. They do not fly very high or long distance. Fish. Fish is an aquatic animal which lives in water. It swims in water with the help of fins. It moves fins forward and backward to swim in the water. Reptiles. Lizards and chameleons have two pair of short weak limbs to move. Mammals. Animals such as cows, goats, camels, cats, lions, tigers, dogs, and deers move with limbs. They have two pairs of limbs, a pair of forelimbs and a pair of hind limbs. Animals such as giraffe, zebra, and deer have long slender legs to run fast. Rabbits have short forelimbs and long and strong hind limbs to leap as well as run. Camels have long legs with padded feet to walk on sand. Elephants have legs which look like a pillar to support their heavy body weight. Birds. Birds use their wings to fly and their legs to walk, hop, run, and climb. The claws in their legs differ from one bird to another, depending on their mode of life. Swans and ducks have webbed toes to swim in water. Crows and sparrow have four toes, three in the front and one at the back. This helps them to hold on the trees. Eagles and vultures have strong hooked claws to catch their prey firmly. Hens and cocks have sharp and hard claws to dig the ground to find the buried worms. Parrots and woodpeckers have two toes pointing upward and two toes pointing downwards. These toes help them to cling on the bark of the tree. Cranes, kingfishers, and herons are long-legged birds. Their toes are spread out and help them to wade through muddy water without.
So as you've seen the video, it clearly shows all these different animals and how they move, right? Uh, we have seen how birds and insects are moving, how humans move, how horses, tigers, lions, and bears are moving, how the fishes they use their tails and fins to swim, and reptiles also we have seen how chameleons they crawl against ground or wall, how the frogs are hopping in on land and in water they use their hind limbs. Birds such as ducks and swan they move in the water using their webbed feet. Now let's move on to the next part of the chapter. It is animals eat plants or other animals. For this also I want to show you a quick short video. We will have a look at this video, and if we get time we will discuss in detail in this class, or in the next class also we can discuss. Let's just have a look at the video now.
I wonder what animals eat. Hey, do animals eat meat?
No, only some eat meat. They are called carnivores.
Why they are called carnivores?
Carnivore is made up of two Latin words. First word is carne, means meat, and second word is vorare, which means to enjoy. So, when we combine these two, it becomes carnivore.
Carnivorous, meat-eating animals. Carni, meat. Vorare, to enjoy.
Some more animals. See what they're eating.
Oh, these goats eat grass.
Yes, there are many animals who eat only plants.
What are these animals called?
They are called herbivores.
So, herb means plants and vor means eating in Latin.
Yes, you're a smart boy.
Herbivorous, plant-eating animals. Hey, this is my dog. Its name is Lovely.
Lovely is a lovely name. He loves bread, it seems.
But he loves chicken also.
Let me give him some.
My dog eats plant products and meat both.
Yeah, there are many animals who eat both plants and meat.
What are they called?
They are called omnivore.
What does omni means?
Omni means all.
And vor means to eat. So animals who eat all things are called omnivores. Omnivore animals which eat meat and plants both.
I have a question.
Okay, ask me.
Can you tell what we humans are? Omnivore, herbivore, or carnivore?
Let me think. We eat plants like carrots, rice, and also we eat chicken and fish. So we are omnivores.
You're right. Here is a test for you.
As we saw in the video, there are three types of animals: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Let's start with carnivores. Carnivores are animals who are eating meat or their flesh of other animals like lion, tiger, sharks, spiders, etc. Herbivores, they eat only plants, and animals that eat both are omnivores like humans, bears, mice, squirrel, crow are examples of omnivores, right? So you just need to remember that there are three types of animals: carnivores, herbivores, and omnivores. And you all know that we are all consumers. Now see, it's written here, animals do not make their own food. This includes humans also. Humans and animals, we all cannot make our own food. We are consumers. We depend on plants or we depend on other animals for our food. And I hope you remember this. I taught you this in living and non-living as well. The next topic is animals and how they breathe. We will look into this in the next class. We will stop it here, right? Thank you.